Meet the Hikvision DE3C Mini PTZ camera, a compact security camera packed with smart features. In this video, we're unboxing the DE3C Mini and testing its smart hybrid light technology. This camera combines PTZ movement with intelligent lighting to deliver clear monitoring in both daytime and nighttime conditions. The camera provides smooth pan and tilt control, helping you cover a wider area with fewer blind spots. Its smart hybrid light technology automatically provides the right illumination when needed, while maintaining useful color details in low-light environments. We'll also check the camera's image quality, night vision, PTZ movement, and overall performance. Whether you're securing a home, office, shop, or other property, the DE3C Mini is designed to provide flexible and intelligent surveillance. So let's unbox it, test its features, and see what this compact Hikvision PTZ camera can really do. If you find this video useful, like, subscribe, and follow for more CCTV camera reviews, setups, and technology tutorials.